that's bright. It's my railroad. Man, you can't see me. I need a light. I need like a light right here. He's an average guy. Wasn't there a light on a hook somewhere? Wasn't there a light on a hook somewhere? Huh? Huh? Yeah. It's probably blown out. Please work, please work, please work. Yeah, yeah. Let me clip this right here. Ah, you can see me. Well, kind of, sort of. It's my railroad. It's time now for new TuberShouts. Yeah, new TuberShouts number 2. Now that is really bright. He's an average guy. That's what I'm talking about. Where the heck did he just go? Did he just walk away? Where's he going? It's my railroad. Yo, what's up everybody? What's going on? So check it out. If it's your first time here, I want to thank you so much. I'm out of breath. I know you guys can't see me. You never can see me. Did he really just disappear? What in the world is this guy doing? Why is he walking around like that? I don't even know if you guys can see me or not, but here I am. I'm trying not to be in the shadows. I'm always in the shadows. This side is not, but this side is. I don't know. Is he really taking off his jacket? Why am I out of breath? It's my railroad. It's my railroad. He's an average guy. Oh, man. Yeah, check it out. If you guys want to subscribe, then please subscribe and ring my bell. Please subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button. Yo, what's up, everybody? I want you guys to go check out my railroad. It's my railroad. It's my railroad. He's an average guy. His name is Steve Brown. He's got the Brown and something railroad. The Brown Smith and Railroad. Right? The Brown Smith and Railroad? Man, I can't remember the name of his railroad. I'm sorry, Steve. He is a new YouTuber. I'm getting choked up about you. He's cool. He's an N-scaler, so he's in that choking hazard model. He's an N-scaler. No, but that's okay. That's okay. You know, you breathe the wrong way, and that's going. You gotta be careful. Can't breathe like I'm breathing right now. All right. So go check him out. He's. Let's see. He built his layout, and then he started watching YouTube videos, and he learned from all you guys because I haven't shown you yet. But yep. Go check him out. So right now he's doing rebuild, I guess. He's not tearing everything out. He's tearing the stuff that he's not happy with out. And he's gonna show us how he's gonna be doing it. He's an average guy. His name is Steve Brown. He's got the Brown and something railroad. So he's a really cool guy. Yeah, I don't know what else to say, but go check him out. He's rebuilding his logging camp. He's building it. He's building his... I should have a freaking camera or light right here. Because it's my railroad. Huh? Huh? Whose railroad is it? Is it my railroad? Is it your railroad? Whose railroad is it? He's an average guy. He's an average guy. He's an average guy. I just want to thank you guys so much for sticking this far out in the video, and please go check out Steve, his name is. Go check out my railroad. He's a cool dude. He's an average guy. And I just want to thank you for watching my videos, and if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you don't like them, then give them a thumbs down, okay? Oh. My gloves are here. Why are my gloves here? Weird. What the heck is that? Why does he keep messing with that box? Why is he messing with that box? What is that box? What is in that box? So anyway, I just want to thank you guys. I'm doing Mr. Rogers right now. He's doing a Mr. Rogers? I know I haven't been around in a while, but... Well, I have been. I'm trying, guys, but... I don't know. Life, you know? So, videos are coming. Layout updates for the BNC. Why the heck is he swinging his arms like that? Check them out. They're going to be coming up. So if you want to see them, you better hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. All right. So that way they'll get up into your notifications. Please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that subscribe button. Please. Will you please go hit that subscribe button? All right, always leave me comments. Let me know. Ask me some questions. Let me know what you think. Do you like my videos, guys? Let me know. Like, do you like them? Do you don't like them? Let me know. I don't know. I'm just my railroad. It's my railroad. You guys need to go check it out. It's my railroad. It's my railroad. It's my railroad. It's my railroad. I'm just mumbling now. I'm in the shadows still. So anyway, with all that being said, thank you guys. You guys rock. Keep them on the rails. Where the heck did he go? Did this guy just walk away? What the heck is he doing? It's my railroad. It's my railroad. It's my railroad. He's an average guy.